The Huffington Post pointed out on Thursday that the Virginia Criminal Sentencing Commission has just completed an impact study on a proposal by a Republican lawmaker in Virginia who has proposed recriminalizing oral and anal sex, but doing so only for teenagers to get around a Supreme Court ruling that rejected an attempt by Virginia Attorney General Ken Cuccinelli to reestablish a ban on oral and anal sex in Virginia. The Supreme Court had ruled back in 2003 that all sodomy laws were unconstitutional. Cuccinelli was arguing that the ruling did not apply to minors. And this Republican state senator, Thomas Garrett, who apparently considers himself a Cuccinelli conservative, has filed a bill that says basically any person who, one, carnally knows in any manner any brute animal, or two, carnally knows any male or female person by the anus or by or with the mouth, or voluntarily submits to such carnal knowledge, is to be guilty of a Class 6 felony. But the provisions of this clause shall not apply when all persons are consenting adults who are not in a public place. Well, meanwhile, like I say, that Virginia Criminal Sentencing Commission said that extra prison beds would be required to house the sodomy offenders if the law was passed. The statement estimated it would cost taxpayers at least $50,000, but impossible to predict how many more prison beds will be required over the course of a 6-year period. So gotta watch out if you're going to make anal and oral sex illegal for teenagers. It's going to cost you. Apparently, this guy, Thomas Garrett, is the only patron backing the bill at this point. But who knows? It is Virginia. And Virginia's for lovers, but not in that way, apparently.